let's learn how to do some braids today. Super easy ones. We'll do the basics, okay? Comb. Just gonna part it down the middle right now. We're gonna do 2 braids, nice and easy, okay? So this piece, we're gonna make 3 sections. 1, 2, 3, okay? Now this is the trickiest part of learning how to braid, is how to transfer the pieces in your hands, and you have to hold everything, you know, at the same time. Okay, I like to start with this front piece first. Get them out of the way. Okay, so we're gonna go over the first one. Then I grab onto that little guy with my finger. And then this one goes over. I think I use my pinky, actually, yeah. See, when you do this all the time, you don't really think about it. I'm gonna transfer over this one. Let me do that again so you can see. Go this way. You're going over the middle guy. This is the middle guy. Over. Now this is the middle guy. Over to the pinky, to the other finger. Okay. My little guy. Let's see. We'll tie him off. Okay, there's one done. Next set. You want these sections to be pretty even too. Let's grab a little bit more on this guy. Okay, here we go. Over. Then if you want, you can pull these guys out too, make them a little bit bigger. What do you think? Easy braids. I think you can do it. It's honestly just a lot of practice and repetition, just figuring out what your fingers are supposed to do. And then after, it's like muscle memory. They just kind of remember, and then you can do it without even thinking. So, okay, good luck. Oh, another little trick sometimes I've found when I was growing up, when I was learning how to braid, when I would do it in the mirror, looking in the mirror like seemed to mess me up, you know. It was like opposite from what my brain was telling my eyes and, you know, and my hands. So if you need to maybe not look and kind of do it in your mind's eye, it might make more sense. But I definitely remember being frustrated looking in the mirror and it having it being opposite, and I couldn't figure that out. But just takes practice for sure, and then go from there. Yeah. All right. Have fun. See you later.